Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to DPS online classes. I am Priha Asghar, SS Computer at Divisional Public School and Inter College, Sahiwal. Students, before starting today's lesson, I want to take some preview of the previous knowledge. Students, in your last lesson, you have learnt about how to create list in HTML. Students, HTML supports several types of list items that we can include within the body tag of the document. These elements may be nested. It means one set of elements can be embedded within another element. Students, for making a list, we use the list item tag. This list item tag is used to define each item of a list. Once we define the list item with li tag, the list appears in the web browser in bulleted form. Students, in your last lesson, you have learnt about types of lists. There are three types of lists, that is an unordered list, ordered list, and a description list. In today's lesson, we will learn about an unordered list and an ordered list. Students, an unordered list is used for items in which the ordering of items is not important. Ordering means तरतीब. तरतीब जरूरी नहीं होती, or you can say that sequence is not important. An unordered list is also called a bulleted list. The list is defined using the UL and /UN tags. Student, this is the starting tag of an unordered list, and when we put slash here, then this is the closing tag of an unordered list. Each item in the list is defined using the li tag. This is the list item tag. Students, we can apply bullet style to an unordered list, and this bullet style can be added to the list items by using the list style type property. A circle specifies a hollow bullet. A disk specifies a solid round bullet, and a square specifies a square bullet. Students, there are some list properties that we can use for an unordered list. First one is list style image. Students, through this property we can specify the image that will be used as the list item marker. Its value should be none, or the path of the image to be used as the list item marker. It means we write URL here. URL means name of the image which you want to apply as the list item marker. Second one is the list style type. It specifies the bullet style that will be used as the list item marker. Its values should be none, disk, circle, or square. Students, disk is the default value of list style type property. It means when there is no value given, then disk style bullet will be appeared. It can be written like this: list style type square. Students, let's see how we can apply an unordered list tag in an HTML document. Students, this is an HTML document. We write an HTML program in Notepad. Students, you know that this doc type HTML element is used to define an HTML document. Then we write starting HTML tag, then head element. After that we write title here. This title appears at the top of the window. Then we start here UL tag. UL tag we use for an unordered list, and we specify here list style type property, that is square type. style tag close, head close, body start. This is the heading element which is defined here, and we write a list of subjects in sciences as a heading. Then unordered list starting tag. In first list item tag we write here physics. In the second list item tag we write here chemistry, and in third list item tag we write here biology. Students, physics, chemistry and biology are the science subjects. Then UL tag close, body close, HTML close. Students, we will save this document in Notepad with .html extension, and when we open it in the browser, then you can see that list of subjects in science appears here, and there is a bulleted list appears, that is the list of subjects in science, physics, chemistry and biology. Students, this is an unordered list, means sequence is not important here, so bullets are used in this type of list. Students, next type of list is an ordered list. An ordered list defines a list of items in which the order of items matters. Students, in an ordered list, the order of items matters. मतलब तरतीब चाहिए होती है यहाँ पे एक ordered list के अंदर, means sequence of the items is important. An ordered list is also called a numbered list. We can call it as a numbered list. The list items are enclosed within starting OL tag and closing OL tag. These are the tags which are used for starting and closing an ordered list. Students, ordering of list items is given by a numbering scheme using Arabic numerals, letters or Roman numerals. It means order is important here, and we can give here numbers in an ordered list instead of the bullets. Students, there are some properties which are used for an ordered list. List properties used for an ordered list, that is list style type property. Students, this property specifies the type of list item marker that should be decimal. By default, its value should be decimal. We can also use its value as lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha and upper alpha. We can write it as list style type lower alpha. Students, let's see how we can apply an ordered list in an HTML document. Students, you can see on the screen, here is an HTML program written in Notepad. This is the starting HTML element. This is the doc type HTML element which is used to define an HTML document. Then we write HTML element, starting HTML element, head starts, title start and title close. Students, what we write here in the title tag, this appears at the top of the web browser. Then we define here style tag. Here in OL tag, we specify the list style type that we give here upper alpha, style close, head close, body element starts now. Here we define heading tag, and in heading tag we write list of organ systems in human body. Students, this is the heading of our document. It means that we are going to write here the systems in human body. Students, in heading tag we write here list of organ systems in human body. It means that in this document we are going to make a list of organ systems in human body. ordered list tag starts. In the list item tag, first of all, we define here digestive system, secondly respiratory system, then circulatory system. In an other list item tag, we write here nervous system, then excretory system, skeletal system, muscular system, reproductive systems, endocrine systems. After writing all the organ systems of human body, now we close this ordered list tag, body close and HTML close. Students, first of all, we save this document in Notepad by using .html extension. After saving this document, when we will open it in the browser, you can see here that when we open this in the web browser, then you can see that list of organ systems in human body appears here. Now this is the type of numbering used here, that is upper alpha, capital letters, and here is the list of organ systems appear on the screen, that is digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, skeletal system, muscular system, reproductive system and endocrine system. Students, it means that a numbered list or an ordered list appears here on the screen. In this way, students, you can make a list of different items. Understand? Students, you can also nest the list together. Nesting means that you can use a list within another list. Apart from creating ordered list and an unordered list, HTML also allows you nesting of list. Nesting of list means that you can use a list tag within another list tag. For example, an ordered list can be nested within an unordered list, or an unordered list can be nested within another ordered list. Students, let's see how we can nest a list within another list in an HTML document. Students, you can see on the screen that here is an HTML program written in Notepad. First of all, we write here doc type HTML document. Students, you know that this document is used to define an HTML document. Then we write here an HTML element. This is starting HTML element. Head starts, title start, and in title tag we write here sources of energy. Then closing title tag, sources of energy. Then we close title tag. For ordered list, we define here upper Roman, and for an unordered list, the list style type property is circle. The value of list style type property is circle. Style close, head close, body starts. Here we define a heading element, and in this heading element we write here classification of sources of energy. Students, in 7th class you have learned about the heading tag, and you have also learned about different levels of the heading tag, that is from age 1 till age 6, and we use here the heading level age 2, and in this heading level we write here classification of sources of energy. Then we start ordered list tag here. In an ordered list tag, we write here a list item that is on the basis of occurrence. Then we start here an unordered list tag. In an unordered list tag, we define different list items, that is natural sources, solar energy and wind energy. Then we define another item here. These are the synthetic sources. Chemical energy stored in the form of batteries. Unordered list tag is closed here. And in this ordered list we have also write here another list item that is on the basis of physical state. Then another unordered list starts here. Another list item is defined here, that is solid, then liquid, and third is the gas form of physical state. Then an unordered list close here. Ordered list tag is also closed here. Body close and HTML close. Students, you can see that here we start an ordered list, and within this ordered list we have also write an unordered list. This is the unordered list which is written inside this OL tag. Then another unordered list we define here within this ordered list. It means that within one ordered list we have defined two unordered lists here. The two lists which we want to appear on the screen. Save this document with .html extension, and when we open this in the browser you can see that a list appears here with the heading classification of sources of energy. Students, this is ordered list on the basis of occurrence and on the basis of physical state. This is an ordered list, and within this ordered list there is another unordered list appeared. Another bulleted list appears here, that is natural sources and synthetic sources. And there is another unordered list or bulleted list, that is solid, liquid and gas form of physical states of matter. Different forms of the physical state of matter. So students, you can see that how we can use a list within another list by using the unordered list tag and ordered list tag. So students, in today's lesson, first of all we learned about an unordered list. Students, an unordered list is used for items in which the ordering of item is not important. It means that order of the items is not important here in an unordered list. It is also called a bulleted list, and UL tag is used for an unordered list, and we also use bullet style here. It means that in an unordered list style type property is used to specify a bullet style in this list. Students, then we have discussed about an ordered list. An ordered list in which the order is important, sequence is important, and OL tag, starting OL tag and closing OL tag is used to define an ordered list. And we use here numbering. The list in which the order is important, sequence is important, we write numbering scheme. We use numbering scheme as the list style type value. Students, we can use Arabic numbers, letters and Roman numerals as the values of the list style type property in an ordered list. Students, then we learned that how to nest the list. Nesting means that how we can define a list within another list. We can use an ordered list within an unordered list, and we can also use an unordered list within an ordered list in an HTML document. That's all about today's lesson, students. There is an assignment for you. Question number 1 is differentiate between an ordered list and an unordered list. Question number 2, mention the values that can be assigned to the list style type property of an ordered list. Question number 3, name the tags used for creating ordered list and unordered list. Students, you can solve this assignment by taking help from your computer book. Thank you so much students and Allah Hafiz.